Welcome, seekers of the celestial. Today, we explore the enchanting world of angel numbers, specifically the enigmatic 111. Have you noticed this sequence popping up in your life? If so, you're tuned into a powerful message from the cosmos. First, let's uncover what angel numbers truly are. These sequences are divine signs encountered in everyday moments, on clocks, license plates, and even book pages. Each number carries its unique vibrational energy, providing guidance, affirmations, and, sometimes, cautions. Our focus today is on the number 111, a beacon of new beginnings, heightened intuition, and the manifestation of your deepest dreams. So, are you ready to decode these divine signals and align your life with the universe's grand blueprint? Let's start this spiritual journey together. Picture yourself at a career crossroads or envisioning your dream job. Seeing 111 is a powerful signal from the universe that it's time for growth. It's your cue to take inspired action, update your CV, expand your network, or perhaps launch the business venture you've been considering. Imagine your success vividly. This mental picture will boost your determination and enhance the manifestation process. Furthermore, 111 encourages you to align your career with your soul's purpose, seeking roles that fulfill you beyond financial rewards. In relationships, 111 might signal the presence or arrival of a twin flame, a profound, soul-deep connection. Whether moving past a breakup or deepening a current relationship, 111 encourages you to open your heart and trust the process. It's a time to deeply understand your emotional desires and set clear intentions for the love you want to attract or cultivate. Additionally, 111 reminds you to strengthen your relationship through open communication and shared experiences, ensuring it evolves in healthy, fulfilling ways. Health-wise, 111 calls for harmony and balance. It's a reminder to listen to your body and mind, inviting you to adopt healthier habits, perhaps incorporating meditation or yoga to align your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Reevaluate your routines, reduce stress, and integrate more rest. It's also a prompt to be proactive about your health, perhaps updating your diet or beginning a new fitness regime that energizes rather than exhausts. Embracing practices that foster mental clarity, like mindfulness or journaling, can help maintain a vibrant, balanced life. Remember, intuition is key when interpreting the meaning of 111. Angel numbers are not just signs, but invitations to deeply connect with your inner wisdom. Let your intuition guide you in interpreting these numbers and applying their messages to your life. Let your inner voice lead, whether you're considering a career change, exploring new relationships, or improving your health. By aligning with your intuition, you enhance your understanding of the signs and empower yourself to make decisions that resonate with your true self. Remember, the universe communicates in various ways, and by tuning into our intuition, we open ourselves to deeper insights and guidance, ensuring we live in harmony with our highest good. Thank you for watching. If this video resonated with you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more enlightening content, and click the bell icon to stay updated. Don't forget to share your personal experiences with angel numbers in the comments below. Your stories inspire us all. Keep listening, keep learning, and let your intuition be your guide.